Me and my friend were laughing the other day about social distancing because you do have to laugh, although it's not funny, but everyone finds humour, especially us British or English. We can't help it. I think we feel sometimes we're invincible and humour is our shield. And when the humour goes, that's when we realise that it's not so funny. Anyway, we were imagining dating in the future. Well, and I could just envisage these squares of people being like battleships. You know, remember the old game Battleships? You know, you launch your torpedo off from K1 into D2, and if you get a hit, you get a hit. If you get a miss, you get a miss. And aside from putting on sort of virtual, oh, listen again, I'm not talking today, tomorrow, next week, next month, next year. Let's be visionary here. Let's look at the future for the children that might be being born now or who've been born 5 to 10 years ago. So they're going to meet their prospective partner in a sealed off square with gaffer tape on the floor. I presume it'll be a little bit more advanced, maybe laser marked or something. I don't know. Or they'll be donning a pair of goggles and checking each other out on the 3D, on the hologram, on the virtual reality or the augmented reality. And then I wonder if you'll be able to pay more to have your character enhanced. Rather than you appear as you would actually pay a digital plastic surgeon. I tell you, there's a good business coming up there, isn't there? Think about it. To enhance your online avatar. So whether that's working or personal, whether you're popping into work and you wanted to don an Armani suit for your presentation and your avatar was a representation of you, well, you're going to have to pay for that. If you've got a hacked suit, you know, and you bought one off the black market and you rock up to a VR meeting and then all across your suit's flashed counterfeit, and you're sitting there and you're unaware because you're not, you think that your avatar's just wearing its, you know, and if you think that's a far-fetched thing, do you remember the games like Tiger Woods Golf, EA Sports, where you'd customize your avatar, change its look, buy new clothing, jewelry, glasses? The more that you progressed through the game, the more equipment you were allowed to buy, and the bigger your budget was, and the more offers you got from the brands. Hey, come and wear our stuff. Come and do this. It's all social engineering, predictive programming. Again, I mean, this is through video games, but it does all tie in. A short video again because I don't like to fill too much time with waffle. 2:57 here in the morning. Deadly quiet. I mean, deadly quiet. If I let one off now, you'd hear it for 3 miles. Cheers, everyone.